Okay, I've been seeing Megan Fox makeup look everywhere lately, especially her Jennifer's Body makeup look, and honestly, it looks stunning. But no one showed how it looks on brown skin, and I'm not sure if it's going to look same on me. So let's try it. I've already done my skin prep and added lenses, so let's move on to the base. For foundation, the goal is a skin-like finish, and getting the undertone right is really important. Otherwise, it can turn grey on brown skin. I'm using L'Oreal True Match Skin Tint for that natural finish, and I'm keeping the base really light because heavy foundation will ruin this look. I'm going to move straight to the eyes first just to avoid any fallout later. I'm placing some tape here to get that lifted clean edge, prepping my eyes with little concealer and setting it with a powder. For that soft but structured brow, I'm just filling in these sparse areas and brushing everything out to keep it natural. This is where the whole look comes together. It looks like a basic brown eyeshadow, but the placement is everything. I'm focusing the depth on the outer corner to lift the eyes and blending a warm terracotta shade into the crease and finishing it off with a soft wing just to tie everything together. The tape just acts as a guide to give that clean lifted edge. For the inner corners, I'm adding a touch of champagne shimmer. This instantly brightens the eye and makes them look more open. Time to remove the tape and see how sharp that edge is. That lift makes such a difference. Just lightly smoking out the lower lash line to balance the eyes. Adding a soft black liner along the lower lash line. I think black liner really complements these blue toned eyes. Also tight lining just to add a bit more depth to the lash line. And I'm adding a subtle inner corner wing just to elongate the eyes a little more. And finishing it off with a pair of lashes for that soft dramatic effect. Those eyes are doing all the talking. For contour, I'm avoiding cool tones because they can look a bit ashy on brown skin. Instead, I'm using a deep golden brown bronzer and blending it upwards to define the face without looking it muddy. I know it looks like a lot, but just trust me on this. I'm going to be very light with the blush, just a hint of color. I don't want to overpower the look, just keep it fresh and balanced. Now for concealer, I'm using this NYX one. It's really creamy and blends beautifully. I'm placing it under the eyes, on the forehead and little on the nose. This just helps tidy up the whole look and softly highlight the face. Setting my concealer with powder and layering the bronzer with the bronzing powder. I'm a little nervous about the lips because of my two-tone lips. And her lips look like she's just wearing lip gloss on bare lips. So I'm starting with a stain first. I'm using this L'Oreal Hyaluronic Tint. It gives a nice berry base and I'm removing the excess and then lining my lips. Adding a little bit of Benetint in the center and finishing it off with gloss. And finally adding a touch of highlighter on my brow bone, on my nose and the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, so this is the final Megan Fox makeup look and I actually didn't expect this. Those eyes are doing all the talking. I think this actually works really well on brown skin. But you definitely have to adjust the tones. So, would you try this look or skip it? Let me know your opinion in the comments below. And for more realistic makeup transformations like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.